AP Fridays is a program we've developed here as part of the College of Science K-12 outreach. It's for high school programs, they're AP programs. So AP Environmental and AP Chemistry are the main two classes that we invite. We put these out on public listservs so anyone can sign up for them. But the idea behind it is we bring classes here. We teach the AP lab, as in outreach coordinators and Purdue professors. Grad students sometimes come in and help us. Undergrads come in sometimes to talk to the students, just interact with them so that they kind of know what the college life is. So rather than just doing a college visit where they come to a college and kind of learn a little bit about it, they are immersed in the college experience. And as a bonus, since we're here on campus, we generally have at least one research scientist come in and talk to the students. And last time I did an atmospheric science one, we had 4 different faculty come in. We did a groundwater quality lab for AP Environmental. Well, I guess half of them were environmental, the other half were chemistry. There a couple weeks ago, one of my senior faculty members walked by and I kind of waved at him and he kind of peeked in to see what was going on. And he had commented that, wow, that's really higher level science that you're having them do. And so the fact that this program allows, and we have so many faculty excited about being able to come in and help them, it just makes for an amazing program.